Hey everyone, Brandon here. Today we're exploring the world of AI language translators, tools that are transforming global communication. From travel to connecting with friends worldwide, these translators are everywhere. But with so many options, which one is right for you? In this video, we'll test the top AI translators, break down their strengths and weaknesses, and help you pick the best fit. We'll cover what works, what doesn't, and where each tool shines. If you're curious about how AI is changing language or just want the best app for your phone, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First up, the giant, Google Translate. It's the go-to for most people, supporting over 130 languages and offering impressive accessibility. Whether you're using the web, mobile app, or Google services, it's intuitive and easy to use. The mobile app stands out with features like camera translation, real-time voice translation, and offline mode, perfect for travelers. Google's integration is a huge plus. It's built into Chrome, Google Lens, and Google Assistant, making translation seamless in daily life. But it's not flawless. Google Translate can struggle with nuance, idioms, and context-heavy text, sometimes producing literal or awkward results. It's improved with neural machine translation, but complex sentences or creative writing can still lose meaning. For casual emails or news articles, it's usually spot on. For business documents or literature, double-checking is wise. It handles major European languages well, but translations between English and languages like Japanese or Korean can feel clunky. The upside? Google's massive data means constant improvements. Translations get better over time. The interface is clean and user-friendly, with just enough options for most users. The camera translation feature is a game-changer for travelers. Point your phone at a menu and see instant translations. Conversation mode lets two people speak different languages and have a basic conversation, which is incredibly practical. Google Translate's real strength is its accessibility, language coverage, and deep integration into the Google ecosystem. It's not perfect for every scenario, but it's the default for millions for a reason. If you need quick, broad translations, it's hard to beat. For more nuanced or specialized needs, you might want to look elsewhere. Still, it sets the standard for what a free, accessible translator can do. Whether you're a traveler, student, or just curious, Google Translate is a must-have tool. It's the baseline that others are measured against. For most people, it's more than enough. But if you need perfect nuance or work with rare languages, keep watching. Google Translate is the Swiss Army knife of translation. Versatile, reliable, and always improving. It's not the only option, but it's often the first one people try. Let's see how the competition stacks up. Next up, DeepL. Stay tuned. Now let's talk about DeepL Translator, the specialist in accuracy, especially for European languages. DeepL's neural networks deliver translations that feel natural and nuanced, often outshining competitors for languages like German, French, and Spanish. The interface is minimalist. Just paste your text and get a translation that often nails tone and context. A standout feature is the ability to click on words in the translation to see alternatives. Great for fine-tuning. DeepL's focus is quality over quantity. It supports fewer languages than Google, but excels in those it does. If you need to translate between English and German, for example, DeepL is often the top choice. The free version has character limits, but the Pro version unlocks unlimited translation, document support, and enhanced security. Businesses and professionals who need high accuracy for European languages often choose DeepL, even paying for the Pro features. The trade-off? If you need a less common language, DeepL might not have it. For supported languages, though, it usually requires less manual correction than other tools. DeepL's team is dedicated to linguistic quality, constantly refining their neural networks. They're not chasing the highest language count. They're chasing the best translation quality. If you want nuanced, human-like translations for European languages, DeepL is hard to beat. It's not the universal translator, but it's the gold standard for its niche. For technical articles, emails, or anything where tone matters, DeepL shines. If you need Swahili or Thai, you'll need to look elsewhere. But for its core languages, DeepL is a benchmark for quality. It's a favorite among professionals for a reason. If accuracy is your top priority, DeepL deserves a serious look. Let's move on to Microsoft Translator. Next, Microsoft Translator, deeply integrated into the Microsoft ecosystem. If you use Windows, Office, or Skype, you've probably seen it in action. Its real-time conversation feature is a standout. Multiple people can join a conversation in their own language with instant translations for everyone. PowerPoint can provide live subtitles, Outlook translates emails, and Edge has built-in translation, making it seamless for business and productivity. Language support is solid, sitting between Google and DeepL with a growing list of options. Translation quality is generally good, though it can be inconsistent with less common languages or complex sentences. The app is clean and modern, offering text, voice, and image modes, conversation features, plus offline support for select languages. For businesses, Microsoft offers enterprise solutions and API access, making it easy to integrate translation into apps and services. The real-time group conversation feature is unique. Imagine presenting in English while your audience sees captions in their own language. Compared to Google, Microsoft feels more business-focused, while DeepL is the specialist. Skype Translator enables real-time translated calls, which is impressive, though accuracy depends on clear audio. If you're invested in Microsoft products or need collaborative translation features, this is a strong choice. It's especially useful in professional or educational settings. Microsoft Translator balances broad utility with some innovative features. It's not always the most accurate, but it's versatile and well integrated. For Office and Windows users, it's a top contender. Now let's check out iTranslate. Shifting gears, let's look at iTranslate, a mobile-first translator built for travelers and on-the-go users. Available on iOS and Android, it boasts a polished, intuitive interface that makes switching between text, voice, and camera translation effortless. Voice translation is a core strength, supporting many languages and enabling real-time conversations, perfect for travel. Offline translation is available with a Pro subscription, letting you download language packs for use without internet, ideal for avoiding roaming charges. The free version covers basics, but advanced features like offline mode, camera translation, and website translation require a subscription. Translation quality is solid for common languages, though it may not match DeepL's nuance for complex texts. Extras like phrasebooks, verb conjugations, and transliteration make it a handy language companion. iTranslate is best for frequent travelers, language learners, or anyone who values a slick mobile experience. If you need quick, reliable translations on your phone, it's a compelling choice, especially if you go pro. The app's design and usability are top-notch, making frequent use enjoyable. Consider if the subscription fits your needs. Occasional users might stick with the free tier or other free apps. For heavy travelers or those needing offline and voice features, the investment can be worth it. iTranslate isn't for translating long documents, but for your pocket, it's a standout. It's a feature-rich, well-designed app for mobile users. If you want a travel-friendly translator, iTranslate is a strong pick. Now let's talk about Amazon Translate. Here's how it fits in. Amazon Translate is a different beast built for developers and businesses, not casual users. It's an API-driven service letting companies integrate translation into their apps, websites, and workflows. You won't use it directly, but you might benefit from it when shopping online or chatting with customer support. Its strengths are scalability, speed, and seamless integration with Amazon Web Services. Businesses can customize translations for brand names or industry jargon, ensuring consistency. Language support is broad, rivaling Google and Microsoft, and Amazon is always improving its models. There's no consumer-facing app. This is all about powering other services behind the scenes. Pricing is pay-as-you-go, making it cost-effective for high-volume users. Developers get robust documentation and SDKs for easy integration. For the average person, you'll rarely interact with Amazon Translate directly. But for global businesses, it's a powerful tool for enabling multilingual experiences at scale. It's not for quick personal translations, but it's a backbone for enterprise translation needs. In the world of B2B translation, Amazon is a major player. So, which translator is right for you? It depends on your needs. Google Translate is the all-rounder with massive language support. DeepL is the accuracy champ for European languages. Microsoft Translator excels in business and collaboration. iTranslate is perfect for travelers and mobile users. Amazon Translate powers the back-end for businesses. Think about what matters most: accuracy, convenience, integration, or scalability. Let me know your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech deep dives.